Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the composite design pattern. So composite design pattern is basically a structure design pattern that lets you to compose objects into tree-like structure where we can play around with this structure as if they were individual object. Right? Suppose we have a long folder file structure, right? Now, inside each folder, we create lot of folders as well as files. Now, this subfolder can be uh, implemented or can be played on as a individual folder, right? Because it resembles its parent and it has all the characteristics of its parent. So we can think of it as a individual object, right? So that's what we are going to implement it here, and the same example we will take it as here as you will get it. Let's first try to implement it. So composite. Okay, let's take a file dot h file. Okay, so file, what characters does it contain? Uh, let's take a file characters as a open. That will be good. Or what? Let's take an example. Let's take a matter of file size, right? That will be good. So fine, take take a size, and we will have one more thing, which is get size. Now it will return nothing but size itself. Okay, cool. Let's take one more class, which will be folder dot h. Okay, fine. Now I want what in this case? I wanted my folder. Let's take one more for class before that, which will be folder structure. That will be good. And it will contain the same size and also get size. Fine. I hope so. It's fine. Now, in order to initialize folder in, I mean, method in folder size, we can do instead. We can basically just initialize virtual class here. That will be more better, right? Okay, size. Oh, that will be good. Fine. Now I'm going to implement it here. Folder structure, got it. It's included here. Okay, fine. Is there any problem? I hope so not. Fine. So let's take a vector here. It will be great. It will be fantastic. Okay, got this. Okay, need to have bit slash. Okay, everything's fine till here. Now we can have size as well. Fine. And yeah, one more thing, we can have, I mean, get size. Okay, fine. We need a counter or can have size sum initialize with 0. And what I'm going to do here, I'm just taking a for loop. Okay, auto, uh, what say, file from folder structure where size sum to file dot get. Okay, let's have this. Get size. What's the problem here? Oh, sorry. Why have used inaccessible? Let's make this as accessible. And here also, I hope now it will work fine. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now we'll return size sum. Okay. Okay. Since we have used size here, so can we not have a constructor? Uh, I don't think it's required. We can, but it is not required, right? So let's make this. But if we are not going to make a constructor, it will give a default constructor, and a default constructor it will not going to initialize your size. So let's make this. Why we are so okay? It will take size, nothing but a size, right? I think so, right? Okay, cool. I think it will okay. It will work fine. And I think same goes for folder area size. Okay, okay, got it. Now, since everything's looking fine, we can move forward. Well, well. I haven't added any elements in my vector, so for that I need to have one more method, which will be add element, and this will take what? It will take just folder structure, nothing much. Let's take element, which we dot push back element. Fine. Okay, then we can have main class ppp and main. We can implement include file, include folder, and as well include folder structure. Okay, fine. Now, first of all, we need to initialize folder with folder, and that size, let's say we can have a 10. That's not an issue. Okay. Okay. And let's say we have file which will take file one, and this will, let's say, have two size. Okay, so we can have folder dot add element which will add what? File one. I was knowing that conversion is not possible. Let's make this with ampersand. And now it will work fine. Argument of file is incompatible with this parameter of folder structure. Okay, let's make this is capable. Hmm. Okay, so let's do one thing. I hope this is fine, but still, if it's showing any error, try to figure it out what is the error. Okay, so what is there? It's showing the argument of type file is incompatible with the parameter of type folder structure. Why? Okay, so for that I need to implement folder structure as well. You know what? We should implement because since it's showing the incompatible, then let's say public. Okay, okay, it's working. Why it was showing error? Because we were sending file in folder, right? And folder is implementing folder structure. Okay, now this is folder. I mean, it is this is file, and it's need to be compatible with the folder structure because the argument type is folder structure, right? So we need to implement it here. That's why, nothing more. Okay, seems everything is right. Let's write here file added. Okay, and what about get size? Let's have this get size. Folder get size. Okay, we can return it here as well. What's what like we can see out. Okay, so let's try to compile this code. Uh, what is this? Redefinition again, the same issue. Pragma once. Why we are forgetting this again and again? File added, and this is a size of 2, right? That's what we are expecting this. So this was your composite design pattern, and hope you enjoyed and liked this video. And see you on the next time.